You must believe. It takes courage. It takes dedication. You have to believe it when you cannot see it. My name is Luca. I'm a Xiaomi Fan and I run ultra long distances. It began when I was 13, hidden quietly within the Tuscan hills, burning with ambition, dreams of self-improvement, a search for purpose, discovering it outside. Every day is a new day, with the same exact goal. Sweat, pain, growth, belief. I realize I can overcome any difficulty life presents me. Graduating in computer science, moving to the most competitive city in Italy within the field and thriving. My strength and motivation has relentlessly grown to this extreme level. Running for days, for years, forever moving forward. Always committed, always facing new challenges, always running. This is where we find inner peace. This is where we discover strength. This is where our belief begins. I continue to push and believe in myself, in life, in technology. Keep life rolling. Keep life running.